Welcome to another episode of Sishimane Diaries. Welcome to episode 14 of Sishimane Diaries. Today is day 3 of my 7-day challenge. The 7-day challenge, I'm going to be releasing videos every single day. So that means 7 videos, 7 stories, 7 split-second crushes, 7 times this week that you're going to be seeing this face. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for being around. If you watched the previous episode, let me know what your favorite part was. If you haven't, go back there and watch that episode. So carrying on from yesterday, I said this is going to be a bit of a journey. So I need you to listen to a lot of the things that I mentioned over the next couple of videos, because episode 20 is that episode where I tell you guys why Sashimi, that mother of all heartbreaks that broke me. Today, I want to be I want to be fair. I want to be fair with this. Yesterday I told the story of one of my heartbreak situations, and today I want to share a story where I broke someone's heart. I'm not proud of it. It's nothing funny. I was very immature at that time, but I thought if I shared a story of when my heart was broken, why can't I share a story that was inverse? So this is a Sishimane, not Sishimane Diaries entry. But enjoy it. Before we start, if I would now reverse rewind, pause and look at it. Okay, but the setting of this story begins on a Friday evening. So back in the day when I started working, every Friday being Omonde without fail. Omonde is where my friends used to live. So every Friday when my friends in Geze, straight to Omonde, come back either Sunday or Saturday. But that's where I spent all of my weekends. So this Limana Friday, I leave work, so what used to happen is prepare myself and then make a phone call to say, so no one's answering my phone call. Then the last person I called, who sends who picks up the phone, is like, yo, nah, come through, see corner song landing. To Newtown to Omonde. When I get to Omonde, my friends are all there, but then when I walk in, I want to that's that resistance from everyone, that type of thing. They didn't say that, but then I could feel it. But then they were smiling, they were having a good time, but then kept on feeling. So after a while, I say, one of my friends pulls me aside. He's like, yo, smooth up. In a situation in a corner, there's girls that are coming today. So there's 4 guys here, there's 4 girls coming. We didn't count in the equation. So he knows now. I hate situations like that, because now you're forced to speak to someone even that you don't want to speak to. So then he's like, so and I rough when, or if even now if you want, pretty much on push. But then I was like, as my friends, it's cool, well, I'm tired today. Let me go home and sleep. As I was walking out, so literally, like, as I'm by the door, they were coming out of the car, coming into the townhouse. So they see me in Yumote, like, so one of them was like, yo, hey, why are you leaving? Like, I have to go somewhere. So she's like, nah, come through here before over. I want to come chill for a while. So I look back to Amachita Lapana, bonke, what's cuts. I'm like, let me be a nuisance. So I go inside the house to chill, whatever. Usually hour, 4 hours later, everyone's happy, everyone's a vibe. So I decide to go to the kitchen. This is where it all starts. I don't know why I mentioned all of those things. This is where this whole story starts. So I go to the kitchen, you want me to drink the bayana. When I open the fridge, I love this side. In man, shame, man. When I open the fridge and she's on the other side of the fridge, share this poem. Open papa moves the same time. Open peebom. It's like, but it's in peebom in English. Like if you're watching, please comment in the comment section. We'll see what is a peebom. What's the papa moves in English? So open papa moves same time. So many drama. Friends are hysterical. My friends, so people that's why this whole thing wouldn't happen in. So little did I know that girl was gonna become my girlfriend over the next couple of months. So when we chatted, I won't look at at some point there was meat on her head. It was one of those situations. She took some painkillers, she fell asleep, so we all spent the night Konlapan. But then Bogusawa because of the fridge situation. So the next day I offered to take her to a doctor or whatever. So we exchanged numbers on the way to the doctor. We went to drop her back at home, checked up on her, so that's when the conversation started. So every day now we're checking on each other, chigi, boom bang, now we are girlfriend and boyfriend. Ne? That's the beginning of the story. I'm not gonna talk about too much in the middle because it's very flow, but cool. So the last straw for this girl was when on my birthday, wait, let me start this here. Let me start this thing here. Before her there was someone, and that person had left their shoes at my place. Like because she was going to the gym or something. She left her shoes at my place. So whenever I've had Papa moves, whenever she came through to visit, because born and then every time like she'd ask, why don't you give it back to them? Like I don't even talk anymore. At night, cool, it's whatever. And then one day on my birthday, Usbanban rocks up, uninvited, no announcement, no nothing. She calls, she's like, yo, I'm at the gate. I'm like, okay, cool. But I know in the back of my mind, would see if I fail to Papa moves, peebom, where is it? So I'm like, that's nice, cool. Come through, because my sister was also there, so I had an alibi, which nothing's happening. My sister was there, so she comes upstairs. Literally, we're sitting in the lounge, talking, and my sister and everyone. So I figure, peebom, if I've head, Papa moves. I figure, but this time being I say Papa moves, I'm just calling her that so you can remember who it was. So people Papa moves, I figure security guard in for nail, Papa moves like 18. So need security. Wait a bit. I've got a bit of a situation here, and guy in 5 minutes. May and keep a Usbanbani. Papa moves again. So the guy was like, okay, no problem. Since I kuluma no Papa moves, and I'm trying to tell her what it's times to leave. No coco, no nothing. Like yo. Okay, looked at my sister. Same time my sister stood up, she vacated the area, she vacated the scene. So I did what I had to do now. I introduced Papa moves 5 head to Usbanbani. Bro, like yo, this is Usbanbani. This is Papa moves 5 head, my girlfriend. So Usbanbani understood the assignment. She's like, yeah, okay. Nah, Usbanbani, nice to meet you. I'm fine. So Papa moves is one of those very intelligent people. Super intelligent. She's way ahead of her time. So everything you say, even in passing, like she remembers every single detail of everything. So after I introduced them, Papa moves remembered, what time man? Techies. She's like, oh, nice to meet you. Goes one man. She walks into the bedroom. She comes back near Tatulos, Papa moves, and she hits her with the shoes buffets. And she turns around and says she wants to speak to me outside. Uvala that day buffets. Uvala that day. So I went outside to speak to Papa Moves 5 head. She told me, the next 30 seconds I need you to decide to Noma, are you going to be with me? As soon as I turn around from here, it's over between us. So I took a bit too long to think. She turned around, she left. And I felt her heart break with it. I felt her heart cracking as she walked away. But if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have to cut this here because my memory card is getting full. But to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what a Papa Moves is in English. See you tomorrow, Buffets. Love and peace.